Come and fly away with me. Come and
Good morning, everyone. I just awake, guys, and I have runny nose. I have some itching here. I don't know why. And see, I transfer the table. I put it's so. It's 8 o'clock. I'm just awake. So we're gonna go down and do something. Baba na tayo mga langga. Ito na ang box natin, oh. Para balik bayan box. Inuubo ako. Makati yung ano ko. Makati. I have Raffaello. I have gardens. That's guest. I can arrange the TVs, transfer there. So wiwi muna tayo, guys. Manghilamos ta sa atong nawong kay mura nagnaong og nawong. Manghilamos sa ta, guys. Nit-nit, no? Medyo nit-nit siya.
Falling leaves, autumn breeze reminds me of when I was 17. We would walk by the front.
Tapos mag-inom ta og kape. O niya, magawas na kay magbubo sa ato ang strawberry. We have hanging strawberry, but it looks like I buy that for maybe 2 weeks, no? But it did not give fruit. Oh, it's me today. Oh, see. I'm gonna show you. Here is our hanging strawberry. Tak. our hanging strawberry, guys. And I see here a strawberry. A lot, but I hope it will really grow. This looks like they are become dry, or what? It become like they become dead or what? I don't know. You know what? It's expensive ba yun? No. So that's our end. A little bit cleaner for now. And this become, it was really a dark gray like this, but now it's because of the cold and the rain and the sunny days. And then I will gonna show you our rose. Uy, namakuan na. Oh, grabe siya. Grabe siya mga langga. A lot of flowers. And then we have our rose. But I am waiting for the strawberry. It's sunny. I think it will be sunny today because I see the sun shines. And do you know what? This chair is from my boss. It's new. He gave me a lot of things, like, and also we have here. I will show you. He gave me a lot of things. Guys, ayan, this one, two of this, two of that. And you know, here I will gonna show you that one. It's a fake grass, Bermuda. And here is the package that we will gonna send. That I will send this chocolate. It should be full, maybe 3 boxes of this chocolate, in perfume and food, and this is for cleaning and downy. We have a lot. So we're gonna drink our coffee. So guys, inom muna tayo ng kape. But I don't know, I have inuubo ako, guys. Pagising ko ba, inuubo na ako. And I hope it's sunny today. Yesterday it was hot. Mura ko gihubok. So I think that's all for today. Thank you everybody for supporting my channel. Want to support me? I have Patreon, guys, in OF. You can support me there. In yeah.